Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this vacuum cleaner. Now this is a nice cordless stick vacuum cleaner, and it comes with several different accessories that you can use whether you're cleaning up dust areas, you're going in between surfaces for crevices. You have a nice one that you can actually go in and get more of a slick surface here to be able to use for all sorts of different purposes. And comes with a little charging base here that you can just hook onto the wall. You have your anchors that also comes with, separate filters, a cleaning brush, and of course the charging cord and battery. So you have your telescoping pole and the main base unit here, and then the traditional brushless roller that you can put on here. Now this, I am excited to try this out. It looks really neat. It's got this nice V design on here. So there is no little brushes for it to get stuck on and tangled on if you get hair and things in there. And it's got nice movement on there. So let's get this thing pieced together. I'm going to put on the telescoping part first here. So that way we can just kind of use it. It all just clicks together. And then because it is telescoping, when you push this button here, you can see all of your adjustments. You can easily maneuver it back and forth as far as your height. Then we are going to put on our base unit here. And our last step is just putting the battery on. So when we put on the battery, it'll just snap right in and it will be ready to go. So now we've got the vacuum all put together. And whenever we are using all of this, when you're done, you press this button and you can easily remove all of this out to see all the different filters and everything in there. So that part would be really convenient. You just walk over and dump out any extras that you have. So to use this, you just simply press the button. Then it'll show you everything on this nice digital display. You got your battery, you've got your fan movement, you got your up and down. You just touch the display to show how much higher it can go. And you can see the green light over there. That is really nice. It allows you to see all of the dust and things coming up as you are cleaning. Just picks it all right up with ease. Super simple. And I'm going to show you underneath here. This little brushless motor is just moving right along. It looks fantastic. And you can go all the way down to the floor with this thing and it is still on the ground. That is really nice. This does have a 45 kPa suction on here, a 550 watt motor. So it will be able to go for a long time. And you can easily switch it out, change into whatever other thing you're wanting to use. So you can easily maneuver these different things out, put in different attachments, and be able to get into different crevices that you're trying to reach, whether you're cleaning out your car or just to clean up the living room, sofas, anything like that. You've got a variety of different attachments. When you're done, clean it up, hang it up for next time. It's a great lightweight vacuum cleaner that can be used anywhere you want.